Have you ever gone shopping in an English-speaking place and felt unsure about what to say? Maybe you wanted to ask for the price, the size, a discount, or help from the shop assistant, but you did not know the right words. If you want to speak English with confidence while shopping, then this lesson is perfect for you. Welcome to Word Journey. Today, we will learn simple English words and sentences that you can use in any store, supermarket, or market. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident speaking English while shopping. Let us begin our lesson on English for shopping. Part 1. Useful shopping vocabulary. Before speaking in a shop, it is important to know some basic shopping words. Here are simple and common words you will hear.
Shop, store, mall,
Market, seller,
buyer,
shop assistant, customer,
cashier, price, sale, discount,
receipt,
bag, size,
color,
brand, cost, cash, card, change.
These words will help you understand conversations in shops. Part 2. Common sentences for shopping. Now, let us learn easy sentences you can use when you go shopping. Here are simple ways to start a conversation. I am looking for this item. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Can you help me, please? I want to buy this. I am just looking, thank you. How much is this? What is the price of this? Is this on sale? Can I try this on? These sentences are useful in clothing stores, shoe shops, and many other places. Part 3. Talking about price. Price is one of the most important topics while shopping. Here are simple sentences you can use. How much does it cost? Is there a discount? The price is too high. Do you have something cheaper? Do you have anything on sale? Can you give me a better price? I like it, but it is expensive. This price is good for me. I will take it. These sentences help you talk clearly about money and buying. Part 4. Asking about size and color. When buying clothes or shoes, you need the right size and color. Here are easy examples. Do you have this in medium? I need a large size.
This is too small for me.
This is too big for me. Do you have this in black? I like this color. Do you have more colors? This fits me well. This does not fit. These sentences help you choose the right item. Part 5. Trying things on. When you want to try something, you can use these simple sentences. Can I try this on? Where is the changing room? The changing room is over there. It fits well. It does not fit well. I like how it looks. I want to try another size. These sentences make your shopping experience easier. Part 6. Talking to the cashier. When you are ready to pay, you will speak with the cashier. Here are simple sentences. I want to pay with cash. I want to pay with card. Do you take credit cards? Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a bag, please? Do I need to sign? Here is the money.
Here is my card.
Thank you very much. These help you complete your purchase smoothly. Part 7. Shopping at a market. Markets can be different from shops. People often bargain or ask questions. Here are useful sentences. How much is this? Can you lower the price? Can you give me a discount? I want 2 of these. Do you have fresh ones? Can I taste it? Can I look at that one? I will buy it. Thank you for your help. These sentences help when buying fruits, vegetables, or local items. Part 8. Asking for help in a store. Sometimes you need help finding something.
Here are simple ways to ask.
Where can I find the milk? Where is the bread section? Do you have this item? Can you show me where it is? I need help, please. Can you tell me if this is good for children? Do you have more in the back? Is this the only size? These sentences make shopping easy and clear. Part 9. expressing your choices. Here are simple ways to express what you like or do not like. I like this one. I do not like this one. This looks nice. This feels comfortable. This is too expensive.
This is perfect for me. I will think about it.
I will come back later. I want something similar. I want something different. These sentences help you communicate your preferences. Part 10. Example shopping dialogue. Let us look at a simple shopping conversation. Customer: excuse me, can you help me? Shop assistant: yes, how can I help you? Customer: I am looking for a blue shirt. Shop assistant: what size do you need? Customer: I need a medium size. Shop assistant: here is a medium blue shirt. Customer: can I try it on? Shop assistant: yes, the changing room is over there. Customer: thank you. Shop assistant: how does it fit? Customer: it fits well. How much is it? Shop assistant: it costs $20. Customer: I will buy it. Shop assistant: do you want to pay with cash or card? Customer: I will pay with card. Shop assistant: here is your receipt. Customer: thank you. This simple conversation shows how easy shopping English can be. Part 11. Final tips for shopping in English. Here are a few final tips to make your shopping easier. Speak slowly and clearly. Use simple words.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Be polite and friendly. Ask for help when you need it. If you follow these tips, shopping in English will feel natural and comfortable. Conclusion. Thank you for joining this lesson on word journey. I hope this video helped you learn how to use simple English for shopping. Now you can ask for prices, sizes, colors, and help with confidence. If this lesson was helpful and you want to learn more English for daily life, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to make more lessons for you. I will see you in the next video on Word Journey.